Get some clear direction from this hearing that's set to happen any moment now. How quickly do you believe different entities may be able to determine what exactly is happening in our skies?
Here's what they can do is provide the technology or mechanisms through Department of Homeland Security for communities and bases to purchase the technology to understand what is that, not necessarily taking the drones down, but UAS detection, counter UAS is understanding what's out there. Also manned aircraft detection, being able to distinguish between a drone and an aircraft. If you can understand what's happening in your airspace, you at least know 95% of what's happening. Then you can isolate what those bad actors are, those 5% you don't know what are, and now you can take action. Today, just as all of them could be bad actors if you don't have the tools to understand what's happening.
Yeah, well, I'm out of time, but do you think we could get an answer this year?
Yes, I'm hopeful that we will. I have a feeling this is a national security issue. We need to probably push down pretty hard to move this forward.
Yeah, so many want those answers. All right, CEO of Airspace Link, Michael Healander, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.